Welcome to part 4th of this video. In this video we will learn about creating a presentation using template, using slide layout and closing the and saving the presentation. So we can start OpenOffice Impress. We have to use template for our slides. There are some predefined templates available which we can use. Here you can see in this wizard there is the second option from template. So you have to click on from template. Here it is showing you different presentations. These are the two templates available for the presentations, and for presentation backgrounds there are many templates like blue step gradients, forest, notebook. So you can choose any of the presentation backgrounds from template, and you can preview it also. Here you can see its preview how it will look in future, and then you can click on next. You can simply click create. So by using the template, when we create a presentation, all the slides look like as chosen in the template. Here you can see it is looking like a notebook. Now we have to learn selecting slide layout. So here you can see there are layouts option at the top. Here when you click you find layouts. So there are different types of layouts available. So by default we are having one title layout, and click to add title and one text. Let's talk about let's say something about plants. Now if I want to create a new slide, I can click on new slide here. Now suppose I want to choose any one of the layouts like title content over content, title and 6 content. I can click on this. Then here you can see it gets converted into title, and click to add text. Suppose we write the title as types of plants. So this is one of the layout. Here we have to add different types of text or different types of photographs. For example, we can say it is first type is herbs, second type is shrubs, third type is trees. You can add their pictures also. There are some creepers also. We may also remove them, like we can select at its border and remove these if they are not required. When you click on this, so this is one type of layout. Another type of layout, if you want to, you can add a new slide, and from the task pane you can take the layout. Here it is showing you the layout. Suppose you want a slide in which you only want the title and content, so you can use this type of content. And next we come to saving a presentation. As you normally save, you can click on file, you can click on save, you can choose your desired path or location. For example, I am saving it in Anshvi KVS class 9th. and I am naming it as plants. Provide the file name as plants or whatever you want the file name to be according to your requirement or according to your wish. You can name the file and you can click on the save button. So this PPT or PowerPoint presentation gets saved in your uh, desired location. Now you can close your presentation by clicking on file and then clicking on exit.